and the percentage of rape victims or incest victims is maybe 2%, if that. On those situations, that can be determined by a court. To take a life, that's a sin.
Voters this election season will directly vote on abortion in state-level referendums that could cause a seismic shift in the abortion landscape across the country. Since the overturning of Roe v. Wade, multiple states have imposed abortion restrictions, while others are looking to enshrine the right to abortion in their state.
I think that will pass Prop 139. I'm not too worried about that. On a national level, it definitely needs to be addressed.
Arizona restricted the right to abortion after 15 weeks this year. Proposition 139 would establish in the state's constitution a, quote, fundamental right to abortion and prohibit the state from interfering with abortion access before fetal viability.
And this amendment, by the way, would lead to an extra 40,000 abortions a year in the state of Florida. We already have thousands a month that take place under our current heartbeat bill. This would be way more than that and would be bringing in people from other states, and we would become this major abortion tourist destination.
The Florida Abortion Rights Measure, Amendment 4, would undo the state's 6-week abortion ban. The state's Heartbeat Protection Act, which prohibits abortion after 6 weeks of pregnancy when fetal cardiac activity can be detected on ultrasound, withstood constitutional challenges and took effect this year. Meanwhile, Colorado is one of 6 states that have no gestational age restrictions on abortion, and the state has permitted abortion since 1967. Colorado's abortion rights amendment would prevent the state from any action that would, quote, deny, impede, or discriminate against the right to abortion, including health insurance coverage for abortion. The amendment would repeal an existing clause in the state's constitution passed by ballot initiative 1984 that bans public funding for abortion except in cases where the mother's life is in danger. Nebraska is the only state with 2 competing amendments relating to abortion on the ballot. Initiative 439, supported by Planned Parenthood and the American Civil Liberties Union, would enshrine in the state's constitution a fundamental right to abortion until fetal viability. Initiative 434 would allow abortion only until 12 weeks of pregnancy. The amendment specifically says that the, quote, unborn children would be protected under the law during the 2nd and 3rd trimesters. 7 other states have abortion on the ballot this election season.